Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Oreo Peppermint Bark. I've got my white chocolate morsels in a bowl, microwave, and we're going to microwave it for 30-second burst. Stir it and then microwave it some more until it's liquefied, and then we'll be right back. It's melted and we gotta work fast. I put my Oreos, my crushed Oreos in here, and I put my peppermint bark in here. I'm going to save a little bit of this Oreo to spritz on the top. Let's get to stirring. You have to stir it before it starts cooling down. And I'm going to put a little more in here of my chopped bark. Or if you don't want the peppermint bark in there, you can always pour the liquid peppermint seasoning in it. I used this. I chopped it up, took about 15 of those little squares and chopped it up. Got it all mixed together. I'm going to pour it on my cookie sheet with parchment paper. Okay, I'm going to take what's left of this Oreos, and I'm going to just spatter them all over the top of the bark. Now I'm going to take what's left of my peppermint and do it all over so people know what's inside this stuff. And then I got some of them soft peppermint candies like this, and I bashed the tar out of it. And I'm going to crumble that up a little bit. Give it a little spritz. Or you could use the hard candies, but I really don't like the hard candies. The hard peppermints. They hurt my teeth. That's why I'm using the soft ones. Okay. Now we're going to take it, Just like that. We're going to take it and we're going to put it in the fridge probably for about 30 minutes and let it get hard. And then we're going to break it all up. The bark is out of the refrigerator and it is solid like this. You just take a piece and just break it up to how big or how small you want it. See how it's doing? See that big chunk? You just break it up. Might take a little muscle. You can break it in smaller pieces. It's very rich. And it goes a long way. Look at that. Looks like the moon surface. It sure does smell good too. Don't that look wonderful? Little pieces of, you can see the Oreo and that bark, peppermint bark right there. And then the white chocolate mixed in with the Oreo with the peppermint. Let me find a little one. Here's a little one. It is so good. And so easy. Oh my goodness, it's easy. It's got a little crunch, a little sweetness. You are going to love this. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.